Hello everyone, welcome to CCV Knowledge Hub. So in this particular session, I will explain Lightning or a button component creation. So how to create a button component and how to call that button component in the application. So what we have different properties for the button component or button class. So let's move to my next slide. So what exactly the Aura button component? So button component represents a button element that executes an action in a controller. So by using button in Lightning, what user can perform the different operations like submit or reset a form and begin a new task and trigger a new UI element to appear on the page. So these are the actions we can perform. And the submit and reset types creates buttons for the submitting and resetting the form data, and use these button types in Lightning record edit form and HTML form element. So the reset type button only deletes the various in the form of in the form fields without increasing the without interacting the database. So it will not go to database up to database. Without going to database only, it will clear the field data. For the default button, clicking the button triggers the click event. So mainly the event is click event. So use an on click handler to perform the button's action. Right. So here are the main variant and class attributes to apply additional styling. So here different variants we are seeing. So what is variant mean? Different forms, how it will show display the button. So first one is if you give base variant equal to base in a button. So it will show how it will show without a border, which gives the look of the plain text link. And if you give variant equal to neutral, it's a default variant, a plain uncolored button it will show. And if you give brand is a blue button used to draw attention to the primary action on the page. And destructive is a red button used to warn users that action has a negative effect. So next property is inverse. So uses the background color and light text and dark backgrounds also. And success is a green button used to indicate a successful actions. Right, we will see all these things in a application. So with one example. So here is my basic component. So with the different button examples. So here, so how to create a button? So lightning colon button. So this is the one we have to start. And label we can display whatever you want, the text message you can display. Here different things I'm taking. First normal thing, and title, label equal to title equal to, just if you want mouse over it will show title message, and the account and reset button, and disable also we can do. So disabled equal to true, and label equal to lead, and variant equal to base, as I explained in the previous different previous slide. So different variants we can observe here: base, neutral, brand, success, destructive, inverse, right? So here are my different examples. Let's move to application and we will see the particular example. To show this example, just I logged into a trial account, and here click on setup button and go to developer console. I already created one component and one application for the demo purpose. So let's open already created component right here. So how to open this one, you know, right? File. So just click on file, open lightning resource, and this pop-up will come. So here my lightning component I'm using, I'm opening. So select this button component example. So click on open selected. So here is my component. So as I showed in the PPT, so same thing I created here. So lightning. So first have to start with the aura component and close, and lightning button, submit, title, account, reset. Here I'm giving disabled example, and here different variants we are using: base, neutral, brand, success, destructive, so and inverse. So let's see this example, the output. So before that I am going to open application also. So here I already created button example application for the demo purpose. So this is my application. Just I'm calling that component, button component, right? So here is my button component. Just calling my button component and just click on the preview. So let's see the output. So here is my output. See here different buttons, different forms it's created, right? So button, submit, title, account, lead, contacts, opportunities, campaigns, home, reports. So friends, this is the way you have to create different buttons in the or a lightning. So I will explain more about the buttons in the upcoming videos. So thank you so much friends. If you like this information, please subscribe CCV Knowledge Hub YouTube channel.